In this video, I'm going to show you the Backwards Yarnover Bind Off. That's the bind off that I used along the shawl collar edge of this cardigan because it is a neat finish on both sides. It's stretchy yet secure, it doesn't flare out, and just creates a very tidy look. That compares to the standard bind off in pattern that I did on the remaining part of the button band because I wanted something sturdier, less stretchy, that also did not flare out at the edge. So here I have a standard bind off. You can see not much stretch at all, so it provides some nice structure for that center front edge. And then up here along the shawl collar, I have a nice stretchy yet still stable bind off where I did the backwards yarn over bind off. To set up for this bind off, we'll just knit the first stitch of the row, and then we're ready to start working our backwards yarn over bind off. In a normal yarn over, you bring the yarn in front of the needle and over behind so that you can continue your next stitch. In a backwards or reverse yarn over, you take the yarn from behind the needle, wrap it over in front, and then have your working yarn back behind so you can work your next stitch. So we want to work that backwards yarn over and then knit the next stitch, and then to bind off we slip the yarn over the first stitch on the needle, and then we slip this second stitch still on the needles over the first stitch. Then we repeat our backwards yarn over, knit the next stitch, slip the yarn over the first stitch and off the needles, slip the second stitch over the first stitch and off the needles, and that processes the stitch for bind off. Again, reverse yarn over or backwards yarn over, knit, slip the yarn over the first stitch on the needle, slip the second stitch over the first stitch on the needle, and repeat across the row. Backwards yarn over, knit, slip the yarn over, slip the second stitch over, backwards yarn over, knit, slip the yarn over, slip the second stitch over. And then you're seeing that bind off begin to take shape. I've completed my bind off row, and you can see that the edge looks very tidy on both sides. It almost looks like an I-cord edge where you have two little rows of stitching kind of encasing that front edge. It has really nice structure, so it doesn't flare out much at all, but still has very good stretchability. So it's a really nice option for anywhere that you need a little bit of structure, but still maintaining the stretch of your work. Thank you for watching and learning how to make the backwards yarn over bind off. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe.